A very good evening. Kerala Fine Arts Society welcomes you all to Day 2 of Swati Fest 2025, a festival of dance and music to commemorate the birth month of the great musician and ruler of the Travancore royal family, Swati Tirunal Ramavarma. Today, we have a Bharatanatyam performance by Srimati Radhika Rajiv Kumar. Srimati Radhika Rajiv Kumar is an accomplished dancer of repute in the Bharatanatyam style of Indian classical dance. She holds a Master of Fine Arts in Bharatanatyam and an MA in Economics. She was initially trained in Mumbai and later in Bangalore under prominent gurus of Bharatanatyam. She received her initial training from Guru Ramaswamy Bhagavathar and later undertook her advanced training in Bharatanatyam under Guru Srimati Vimala Nair. She is currently undergoing specialized training under prominent Guru Karnataka Kalashri and Shantala awardee B. Bhanumati and Guru Srimati Sheila Chandrasekhar. She has also been part of their famed Bharathanjali group, a prominent dance group in the cultural landscape of Bangalore. She is undertaking her advanced training in Nattuvangam under Vidwan Sri Narayana Swami of Bangalore. Radhika has staged several dance performances in various temples and dance festivals across Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. She has won many awards and accolades. She has been bestowed the title of Singar Mani by the Sursingar Sammelan, Mumbai, in the year 2002. Her performances have also featured in various visual and print media. Radhika trains young aspirants in Bharatanatyam and conducts their arangetram to her institution, Devi Nrityalaya. Some of the notable performances are at Vaikatastami Festival at Vaikam Mahadeva Temple, Annual Festival at Kudal Manikam Temple, Ganesha Habba Festival in Bangalore, Sai Nrityotsav by Sai Arts International Bangalore, Navaratri Festival of Parmekavu Temple, Dance Recital at Music Academy Chennai, and Nirantaran Dance Festival in Bangalore. Srimati Radhika Rajiv Kumar will be performing Bharatanatyam here with her students. Before we move on to the program, let me welcome the Vice President of Kerala Fine Arts Society, Sri Anand, to present a memento to the artist of the day, Srimati Radhika Rajiv Kumar. Ma'am, please. To invoke the blessings of the Lord Almighty, may I welcome Guru Shyamala Surendran of Dharani School of Dance to please come on stage to light the lamp for this evening.
Before we embark on this enchanting journey of dance and music, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to the committee members of the Kerala Fine Arts Society. It is truly a privilege for us to be here performing in front of such an esteemed audience. I would now like to introduce and extend a warm welcome to the distinguished artists of our musical ensemble, whose contribution for today's performance is invaluable. Kumari Devika on Natwangam, Vidushi Srimati Harshita Vidya on vocal support, Vidwan Kalayogi Shri and Narayana Swami on Mridangam, Vidwan Shri Ramesh on violin, Vidwan Shri Hari Prasad Subramanyam on flute. We are delighted to share the next couple of hours with you, and we hope you enjoy the experience. We begin our program with a Ganesha Stuti. Srimati Radhika will begin the program with a powerful invocation, Sri Mahaganapati Rabatumam, a very popular composition of Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar, set in Ragam Gaula, Talam Mishra Chapu, and dance choreography by Guru B. Bhanumati.
पादाम्बुजो गौरवर्ण वसनधरो सुवर्णाकर्षण वेदराजो पादाम्बुजो गौरवर्णवसनधरो फालचन्द्रो नरादि विनुतलम्बोदरो फालचन्द्रो नरादि विनुतलम्बोदरो कुवलय स्वविशान पाशाङ्कुश मोदक कुवलय स्वविशान पाशाङ्कुश मोदक प्रकाशकरो भवजलधि प्रकाशकरो भवदेव सा समूह अविनाश कैवल्यदेहो पमगमरि गमतन कुज निसरि गिटत पनि सजनु धनि सरि मत मगम सरि समपमरि नित मपनि तगिट करि पनि सरि कुकुन्दरि मपनि तगिट रिगमरि सनि सरि नि सरि स कुकुन्दरि पनि वस जनु तरि गमरि नि धम तगिट सानि पम तरि गिट चीमा गणपति रवतुमा गणपति
We now proceed to the next item. Navarasa, an extract from Saundarya Lahari. Adi Shankaracharya's Saundarya Lahari describes the 9 primary emotions as experienced by Shakti, the divine consort of Lord Shiva. Through these shlokas, a wide spectrum of emotions are revealed, each kindled in Shakti by the various qualities and actions of Parameshwara himself. Shakti experiences Shringara when her gaze falls upon Shiva, which radiates love and desire. All other men evokes a feeling of bibhatsa in her. When she thinks of Ganga, the other woman in Shiva's life, she is overwhelmed by intense anger or Raudra. Upon hearing tales of Shiva's extraordinary deeds like Tripura Samhara, she is filled with Adbhuta. The sight of serpents coiled around Shiva's body evokes Bhaya in her. At the same time, Shakti embodies Veera, displaying the strength of feminine spirit. In the company of her friends, she is filled with Hasya. Finally, when she is with the needy, she radiates Karunya, showing her nurturing and empathetic nature. Navarasa, Ragam Ragamalika, choreography, Guru Srimati Kalanidhi Narayanan.
Shive Shringara शिवे शृंगारा शिवे शृंगारा शिवे गिरीशचरिते विस्मयवती विस्मयवती हरादिभ्यो भीता हरादिभ्यो भीता भीता हरादिभ्यो हरादिभ्यो वेदा ते मयि जननी दृष्टि सकरुणा ते मयि जननी दृष्टि सकरुणा मयि जननी दृष्टि सकरुणा सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते
The next item is a devotional hymn that venerates Goddess Sharada, the divine embodiment of wisdom, knowledge, and power. This sacred composition is a tribute to Shringapuradishwari, the mother herself, who resides in the sacred town of Sringeri. Composition of Sri Padmacharan, set in Ragam Kalyani, Talam Adi. Choreography, Guru B. Bhanumati. Performers, Srimati Rashmi Anup, Srimati Parvati Mohan, and Srimati Rashmi Raghunath.
ಕರುಣಿಸೆಂಬ ಶ್ರುತಿಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕರುಣಿಸೆಂಬ ಶ್ರುತಿಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಶ್ರುತಿ 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 ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಪೂಜಿತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಪೂಜಿತೆ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾಮಿತದಾಯಿನಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಜನನಿ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾಮಿತದಾಯಿನಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಜನನಿ ಶೃಂಗಪುರಾಧೀಶ್ವರಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಶುಭಮಂಗಳೆ ಸರ್ವಾಭೀಷ್ಟಪ್ರದೆ ಶೃಂಗಪುರಾಧೀಶ್ವರಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಶಾರದೆ
Srimati Radhika will now present before you a Varnam. Swami Nanundan Adimai என்று உலகமெல்லாம் அறியுமே, which is a beautiful devotional composition that expresses complete surrender to Lord Shiva. The essence of the song translates thus: I am your servant and the whole world knows it. Please bless me without delay, the way you saved the great sage Markandeya from the clutches of the Lord of Death. Your name is nectar and my breath. O Lord Naraja, your beauty has captivated me and I have fallen in love with your dance. Your mated locks, animal skin attire, elephant gait mesmerizes me. The devotee acknowledges the devotion to Shiva, emphasizing the power of surrender and the grace that flows from such complete devotion. Ragam Natakurinji, Talamadi, composition Papanasham Shivan, choreography Srimati Radhika Rajiv Kumar. We now present Varnam.
சுவாமி நானுந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகமெல்லாம் அறியுமே. சுவாமி நானுந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகமெல்லாம் அறியுமே.
Tadiginna to ta di da ta ki ta jam ta di gi na to ta di ta ta ki ta jam di ta ta ki ta jam ta ta ki ta jam ta di gi na to ta ka di ta ta ki ta jam di ta ta ki ta jam ta ta ki ta jam ta di gi na to ta di ta ta ki ta jam di ta ta ki ta jam ta ta ki ta jam ta di gi na to ta ka di ta ta ki ta jam ta dari ta dana ta jonu ta dimi ta dari ta na dari ta kum ta kun ta tang ta di gi na to dana ta kum ta kun ta tang ta ka ta di gi na to jonu ta kum ta kun ta tang ta ka di ku ta di gi na to ta ka di ku ta di gi na to ta ka di ku ta di gi na to ta ka ta di gi na to ta ka ta di gi na to ta ka ta di gi na to ta di gi na to ta di gi na to ta di gi na to
தாமதம் செய்யாது வந்தருள் மாதோதங்க பூதேஷ 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 தாமதம்
Jam, takita tang, tati, gina to, gina, kujam, dari, tadi, ku, dari, takita
அடிமை செஞ்சடாடவில் இனம் பிறை தெய்வகங்கையுமோர் அரவு மாட செஞ்சடாடவில் இனம் பிறை தெய்வகங்கையுமோர் அரவு மாட இலகை தவழும் செல்விதருடன் ததியன ஜெயம்பலம் தனில் ஆடும் இலகை தவழும் செல்விதருடன் ததியன சிற்றம்பலம் தனில் ஆடும் சுவாமி நானுடன் அடிமை என்று உலகமெல்லாம் அறியுமே செஞ்சடாடவில் இனம் பிறை தேவகங்கையும் ஓரரவு மாட இளநகை தவழும் செல்விதருடன் பிரதியன சிற்றம்பலம் தனில் ஆடும் சுவாமி நானுடன் அடிமை என்று உலகமெல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நானுடன் அடிமை என்று உலகமெல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நானுடன் அடிமை சுவாமி நடராஜ தேவா சச்சித ஆனந்த நடராஜ தேவா சச்சித ஆனந்த நடராஜ தேவா
ತಳಾಂಗ ತಕ ತಿಗು ತಕ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜಂ ತಾ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜಂ ತಾ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜಂ ಜನು ತಕ ಜಂ ತಾ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜಂ ತಾ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜಂ ಜನು ತಕ ಜಂ ತಾ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜಂ ತಾ ಗಿಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ಜಂ
நடராஜ தேவா சச்சித ஆனந்த நடராஜ தேவா சச்சித ஆனந்த நடராஜ அழகில் மோகம் கொண்ட இவளை பாராடும் 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 മുനിവകളും ഇന്ദിരൻ മുതൽ അമര കോടികൾ പണിയും നന്ദി ഭൃംഗി ശിവഗണം മുനിവകളും ഇന്ദിരൻ മുതൽ അമര കോടികൾ പണിയും നന്ദി ഭൃംഗി ശിവഗണം മുനിവകളും ഇന്ദിരൻ മുതൽ അമര കോടികൾ പണിയും സച്ചിദ ആനന്ദ നടരാജ ദേവാ ദാനി ഗമ ഗമ മഗ മഗ സരി സദാനി സരി സരി ഗ മാത മഗ മത ധനി സരി സരി ഗ മദനി ധനി ഗ മഗ മത നി ഗ മഗ സരി ധനി സരി ഗ നടരാജ ദേവാ സച്ചിദ ആനന്ദ നടരാജ ദേവാ സച്ചിദ ആനന്ദ നടരാജ ദേവാ புன்னகை தவறிதழின் அழகையும் கடை கண்ணந்த நடராஜ தேவா சச்சித ஆனந்த நடராஜ தேவா சச்சித ஆனந்த
Before we proceed to the next item, it is my absolute honor to introduce our chief guest for today, Srimati Shyamala Surendran. Srimati Shyamala is a renowned dancer and educator dedicated to preserving traditional Indian art forms, particularly Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam. She started learning dance at the age of 34 under Sri C. Janardhanan and continued to train under Padma Bhushan awardees Dhananjayans and Srimati Kalanidhi Narayanan. She mastered Mohiniyattam under late Kalyani Kuttiyamma and her daughter Srimati Sridevi Rajan. She is a recipient of Kerala Sangeet Natak Academy Award and has performed in major dance festivals in India and abroad. She is the founder of Dharani School of Performing Arts, which imparts training in Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, Carnatic vocal music, Veena, Mridangam, Sanskrit, and meditation. Through her dedication and passion, Srimati Shyamala Surendran has made significant contributions to the preservation and promotion of traditional Indian art forms. We are much honored to have you here amongst us today, ma'am. I'm also equally thrilled to welcome Mr. Jubed Namradat, a qualified engineer who followed his passion for cinema and is now a popular filmmaker, writer, and lyricist. He is also the founder of Dravida Productions. Welcome, Mr. Jubed. The next performance is a devotional hymn dedicated to Lord Krishna, composed by the Reverend Saint Sri Vallabhacharya. This hymn revolves around one adjective, Madhuram, meaning sweet or beautiful. And that describes the lovely attributes of Lord Krishna's beautiful form, who is the master of sweetness and indeed sweetness personified. Set to Raham Bihag, Talamadi, choreography Srimati Radhika Rajiv Kumar, performers Srimati Sandhu Bhanu, Srimati Rashmi Anup, Srimati Parvati Mohan and Srimati Rashmi Raghunath.
कस्तूरी तिलकं ललाटफलके वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभं कस्तूरी तिलकं ललाटफलके वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभं नासाग्रे नवमौक्तिकं करतले वेणुं करे कङ्कणं सर्वाङ्गे हरिचन्दनं च कलयं कण्ठे च मुक्तावली गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो विजयते गोपालचूडामणि विजयते गोपालचूडामणि विजयते चूडामणि
ಜಣುದ ಝಣು ಜಣು ದಿಮಿದ ಧಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿಗಿಟದ ದರಿ ದರಿ ದಣದ ಧಣ ದಣ ಜಣುದ ಝಣು ಜಣು ದಿಮಿದ ಧಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿಗಿಟದ ದರಿ ಧಣದ ಝಣುದ ಧಿಮಿ ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಣ ತುಂ ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಣ ತುಂ ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಣ ತುಂ ದರಿ ಧಣದ ಝಣುದ ಧಿಮಿ ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಣ ತುಂ ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಣ ತುಂ ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಣ ತುಂ ದರಿ ಧಣದ ಝಣು ಧಿಮಿ ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಣ ತುಂ ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಣ ತುಂ ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಣ ತುಂ
नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरम् गीतं मधुरस धीरे निदा माप सागा मगा समगा पनि मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरम् गुञ्जा मधुरा माला मधुरा यमुना मधुरा वीथी मधुरा गुञ्जा मधुरा माला मधुरा यमुना मधुरा वीथी मधुरा सलिलं
जय कुटु तक झन किट तक झन किट तक किन किट तक तक तदि किण तुम तक तदि किण तुम तक तदि किण तुम जय कुटु तक झन किट तक झन किट तक किन किट तक तक दिकु तदि किण तुम तक दिकु तदि किण तुम तक दिकु तदि किण तुम
मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं 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 मधुरम्
Next performance is based on a composition of the famed poet Bharatiyar, Chinnanchiru Keliye Kannamma. This poem is a tribute to being a parent and explores various emotions, predominantly Valsalya. The poet says, "O tiniest of tiny parrot Kannamma, my treasure, my wealth, you have come into this world to rid me of all sins. You are a golden painting which has come alive. There is such peace in my heart, Kannamma. When you come running towards me, I swell with pride. When you plant a kiss on my forehead, my entire being brims with happiness when people appreciate and praise you. Kissing your cheeks accomplishes such great intoxication, and each embrace grants such ecstasy. But on seeing a teardrop from your eye, my heart begins to bleed. Are you not the pupil of my eye? Isn't my life entirely yours?" asked the poet. Srimati Radhika presents Chinnanchiru Keliye Kannamma, a dance choreography by Guru Srimati Braga Basil, set to Ragam Kapi, Talam Adi Tisra Nada.
உச்சிதனை முகழ்ந்தால் கருகோங்கி வழுதடி. உச்சிதனை முகழ்ந்தால் கருகோங்கி வழுதடி. கண்ணத்தில் முத்தமிட்டால் உள்ளம்தான் கள்வர் கொள்ளுதடி. உன்னை தழுவிடிவோ கண்ணம்மா உன்மத்த மாறுதடி. உன்னை தழுவிடிவோ கண்ணம்மா உன்மத்த மாறுதடி. உன் கண்ணில் நீர் வழிந்தால் என் நெஞ்சில் உதிரம் கோட்டுதடி. உன் கண்ணில் நீர் வழிந்தால் என் நெஞ்சில் உதிரம் கோட்டுதடி. உன் கண்ணில் நீர் வழிந்தால் என் நெஞ்சில் உதிரம் கோட்டுதடி. என் கண்ணின் பாவை என்றோ கண்ணம்மா என் கண்ணின் பாவை என்றோ கண்ணம்மா என் கண்ணின் பாவை என்றோ கண்ணம்மா என் உயிர் நின்றதென்றோ என் உயிர் நின்றதென்றோ என் உயிர் நின்றதென்றோ கண்ணம்மா.
Srimati Radhika will now present another Abhinaya piece, a Javali this time, portraying Sringara Nayika. She is a Samanya but also a Khandita. A composition of Sri Pattabhiramaya, the Nayika who's upset with her Nayaka asks him, "What happened to all your promises? You promised so many riches and wealth. What happened to all of those words of yours? You constantly mesmerized me with your sweet words. You pinched my cheeks and said that you would bring me a stunning snow spin. You promised me a gem-studded pair of jumaki and what not. But never have you kept a single promise you made. Nee maatale mayanura." Set to Ragam Purva Kalyani, Talamadi, and dance choreography by Srimati Bragabisar.
സ്വാമി സ്വാമി.
May I request Shyamala ma'am to speak a few words?
It was a lovely evening. I would have missed it if I hadn't come for the program. It was really nice, especially the Abhinaya. It's beautiful, the whole thing. Even the girls, they did very well.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir.
വളരെ അധികം എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തു. ഭരതനാട്യം എന്ന കലാരൂപം മറ്റൊരു കലാരൂപത്തിലെ കലാകാരനായ എനിക്ക് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഐ തിങ്ക് ഐ ഷുഡ് ബി ഡൂയിങ് ദിസ് മോർ ഓഫൺ ആൻഡ് big congrats to the team from Bangalore under Radhika teacher and everyone. Thank you.
Request Srimati Radhika for a vote of thanks.
Om Shri Guru Pyo Nama. My pranams to my gurus, to my parents, and to the Almighty. Firstly, let me thank Kerala Fine Arts Society for giving us the opportunity to perform here on the prestigious stage. I thank specially Mr. Ramesh, who has helped me in a lot of details about this program. I also thank Dr. Prakash, who has helped me with the program. My heartfelt gratitude to Shyamala ma'am and Jubit sir to have taken your time out to spend this evening with me and my team. Thank you. Thank you for your kind words. My heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed musicians. It is indeed an honor for me to have been working with them. A round of applause for them, a special applause. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my Guru Narayan Swami sir, who is my Natwangam Guru. He has been a pillar of strength, not for me, not just for me, but most of the professional dancers in Bangalore. He's been a very strong support for all of us. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Harshita, for your soulful singing. It was really fun working with you. I enjoyed. Thank you, Ramesh, sir. Thank you, Hariprasad, sir. It's been an honor to have worked with you. And last but not the least, on Natwanga we have Devika. She is my daughter too. It's a pride moment for as a mother to see a daughter playing for a mother. So God bless her. I would thank Tahir for the wonderful sound and lightings. Mr. Prince on the makeup, Mrs. Reshmi Raghunath on the beautiful comparing, and a word of appreciation to my dear students, Srimati Reshmi Raghunath, Reshmi Padma, Parvati, Bhanu Sindhu. They are all working professionals. They are homemakers, mothers, and they are all busy in their own way. But I really appreciate their dedication and effort to make it for the practice session. Really, I appreciate you all. Congratulations too. Last but not the least, the audience who have spent this evening for me. It's been a real encouragement for artists like me. Thank you one and all. Thank you. The last item is there for concluding item. Thank you.
Srimati Radhika will conclude today's evening with a Tilana, a very popular Hindi composition in Dhanashri Raga by Maharaja Sri Swati Tirunal. Here the song describes the dancer expressing a joy in dancing and a surrender to Lord Padmanabha, seeking his grace. We present to you Tilana.
गीतधुनि कुदक धीम नाद कीटतुम नाच रहे गोरी ताबिता तैतते विरहत गीतधुनि कुदक धीम नाद कीटतुम नाच रहे गोरी ताबिता तैतते विरहत गीतधुनि कुदक धीम नाद कीटतुम नाच रहे गोरी ताबिता तैतते विरहत गीतधुनि कुदक धीम नाद कीटतुम नाच रहे गोरी ताबिता तैतते विरहत गीतधुनि कुदक തതി തതി